This is John Hickman with Alpine Motors. If you're having trouble with your neutral safety switch on your classic Bronco, I have the solution for you right here in this box. Stay tuned.
If you own an 89 or 90 or 87 Ford Bronco, you know the horrors of walking out to your car to go somewhere, jumping in it, turning the key, and it will not start. You fumble with the shifter and you finally get it to start. Well, you also notice that your reverse lights aren't working. And this is due to a bad neutral safety switch. Unfortunately, the Ford Broncos have a 6-wire neutral safety switch. And that 6-wire is not produced anymore. However, there is a gentleman by the name of Ray up at henryspartsdepot.com that has a solution. And that solution is in this box here right now. So we're going to open this up and I'm going to share it with you. So Ray truly knows his Ford parts, and he shipped me off this new neutral safety switch that can be adapted to work with my Ford Bronco. So this kit comes with the new safety switch you need. So here we go. It is Henry's Parts Depot. Raymond Frost, or Ray as I was talking with him, sent off this kit to us. And it includes complete instructions on how to wire this thing, because the one part that is missing is that this is not exactly the same as the one that came off of the truck. This is a 6-wire neutral safety switch. However, you'll see it does not have the pigtail on it. So while this is identical to the one that we're going to be removing and replacing, you can clearly see that there is not a pigtail on it. However, all of the wires are here. And when you look at what he's done, he actually gives you instructions on how to do this. How to adjust neutral safety switch on a 6-pin switch. It says, adjust the neutral safety switch is simple on a C6. Slide a number 43 drill bit or a large paper clip into the small hole until it's gone in a little over 12 millimeters, meaning it's lined up in the neutral position. Put your transmission in neutral, not with the column shifter, but by hand, and reinstall the switch with a bit or paper clip still in that hole. Tighten the 2 side bolts lightly and remove the bit or paper clip. And it says here that the easiest way to connect the new switch is to cut the old switch off, leaving a pigtail or leads that can then connect the wires from the new switch to the pigtail of the old switch. Easier than trying to do the pins, which makes total sense. And it looks like the red with blues and red with blues go together. And then there is a white with purple. Actually, it's purple with white right here. And there is a, let's see, no, there it is, white with red. And then a black with purple there. So the white with red would go to the purple with orange on the original. And the black with purple would go to the black with pink on the original. And then there's a green. The green goes to the black on the original. And then there's a purple with white, which would be this one here, which goes to the red with white. So essentially it gives you all the instructions to just piece this back together and install this replacement neutral safety switch. It looks very straightforward. I think there you can see the pinhole he's talking about right there. So you're supposed to slide a little paper clip or a small drill bit. This actually looks like it's right in that neutral spot right now. So as long as I put this on and not change it, we should be good to go. So very straightforward, very simple. Ray has a solution for your bad neutral safety switch. When I take the old neutral safety switch out, I'm going to actually do a disassembly for you guys. We'll drill out the rivets on the back. We'll take a look inside there and see what's broken, see what's happened, and I'll share that with all of you. But for now, we have a fix to repair. This is an 89 Ford Bronco. Right now, the reverse lights are not working. So this will fix our future neutral safety switch issues, but also our reverse light issue. Pretty straightforward. So let's get this installed.